Hi guys, Chef Spud here, back once again
For the Renegade Master
with another super easy recipe that you can do at home during lockdown. Today it's going to be super easy oven chips. Anyone can do these, really easy. For this we will need some potatoes, big knife, olive oil, some salt, and then whatever seasoning you want. I always use paprika.
What is that? Paprika.
Paprika. Today behind the camera I've got my daughter Grace.
Hello.
First of all, if you've bought potatoes from a farm shop, which are always the better ones, if they're covered in mud, then you know they're going to be better. You've got to give them a wash. Give them a quick dry. I've seen a few recipes where they parboil the potatoes first, but you don't need to do that. Literally chop them up and chuck them in the oven. Before we start chopping, we're going to preheat the oven, 180 degrees on a fan oven. Don't know what that is on gas marks and other stuff. First of all, chop them into fairly thick slices. Obviously, if you want thicker chips, chop them a bit thicker. If you want thinner chips, chop them a bit thinner. I'm using 4 potatoes because there's 4 of us, but obviously it depends how hungry you are. As you can see, we've gone for the rustic chip with the skin still on. If you don't want your skins on your potatoes, then peel them. Once again, this is only how I do it. If you're some Gordon Ramsay, Michelin star chef and you've got your own way of doing things, you do it your way. Next step, chuck it all into a mixing bowl. Chuck on a good dollop of oil. About half a teaspoon of salt. And then whatever seasoning you want, I'm chucking on paprika. As you can see, quite a lot. And then give it a stir. You want to keep stirring it until it's all got a nice even coating of oil and seasoning. There you go, about like so.
If you want to sound professional, you should say evenly distribute them between 2 pans.
Okay. Evenly distribute them between the 2 baking trays. Give it a show. I'll try and separate them out as much as I can so they all get a nice even cook. No need to pre-grease or oil the baking tray because you've got enough oil on the chips. And then chuck them in the oven. And then we wait. Well, no, I don't know how long for. How long do we wait for?
Wow. You don't even half hour? Go ask Mum. Go ask Mum.
And then put them in the oven for about 25 minutes-ish or until golden brown. Obviously, if you want them more crispy, leave them in there a bit longer.
Crispy.
Oh yeah. This is where I use a metal spatula to get them off the tray. I normally stuck a tiny bit, but not a great deal. Oh, here we go.
Oh.
Only drop one. There we go. Super easy homemade oven chips, because everybody likes chips. Chippy chip! Then serve with ketchup, mayo, or barbecue sauce.
Let's go. You're so Gordon Ramsay.
You can't hear a nod. Do it again.
Let's go.
Dip it again. Dip it again.
Oh, I missed.
Go on, do it again.